In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Final Fantasy XVI resolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly manage the resolution inside of Final Fantasy XVI for PC. With the game being officially out, during the day that I'm recording this video, you will be able to configure a lot of settings. So all that you have to do is before starting a save or even during gameplay, go over to config, and in here you will have plenty of options. To change the resolution, go to display settings. The first thing that you will see is your graphics adapter or graphics card, and then the display option. So right now I'm running my game on my secondary monitor. I can switch it over to the primary one, and you can consider this, let's say for example, if you have a different resolution, like 1080p versus 1440p, you would rather run the game on the high resolution monitor, so switch it here. And after this is done, you have other options related to resolution. So you can run the game in windowed mode, borderless, or full screen. I'm actually going to switch to windowed to show you how this looks, but most people will probably play on full screen or borderless. So in this example here, I'm going to lower the resolution. So all that you have to do now is apply, and you will immediately see the change. So right now I'm running the game on windowed mode, so I get this little window with the Windows taskbar at the top, and I'll be able to change it around. You will also be able to update the refresh rate, enable or disable HDR if your monitor supports it, and enable or disable VSync. It's as simple as choosing any of these options, selecting apply, and saving the changes. So you will be able to customize it to your own liking. I recommend playing on borderless because it makes alt-tabbing easier, and you will be able to switch between your monitors if you have multiple, but you can choose according to your own personal preferences. Keep in mind that the game officially does not support ultra-wide monitors. So one of my monitors is ultra-wide, and sadly the game does not have that functionality. There is a mod being developed by Leal which adds this functionality into the game, but officially it does not support ultra-wide resolutions. If this video answered any questions that you had on how to fix Final Fantasy XVI resolution, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.